Is your board Clark, Gala Diaries PH nga pala, bagong mukha ng channel natin. Nandito tayo sa Port Santiago, 2 PM pero medyo maulan. Oh, maulan talaga. Perfect time sana yung 2 PM pero nandito pa yung perfect time para umulan.
Challenging, painful. It's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of.
The audio quality may not be working sa noise cancellation, kaya naglagay ako ng captions para at least malinaw.
You're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
Sobrang private nito, pwede mag-ano tayo. Alam niyo na. Lalo pa lang ulan, no? Uy, okay. Umulan ng konti. I represent myself as not just a CK Asian walker, but also a hiker. Ang dami. Meron kasi hiwa-hiwalay. Meron from Japanese, meron dito Spanish. Sa iba't ibang magkabilang baluarte, iba't iba yung canons from different colonization. Ito dala ko pala, pampakain sa kalapate. Sirit ko lang. Spanish pa nito, no? Spanish gumawa nito. Oh, tawag ko dito El Despacito. Tayo napapawis, hindi to ulan kundi pawis. Daming tambayan nila dito. Daming mga private places to yun. Grabe ka na Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. It was burned during this Chinese era. Pirate. Reconstructed pa during this time. Tapos it fought foreign powers, Spanish, Great Britain, to 17th century, 7 Years' War, United States, Japanese. Dami ng pinagdaanan to. So you should recognize this as a golden treasure. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Ang tinatawag na dating UST Arc ngayon, Port Santiago Arc. Kung napapansin nyo dito, ito yung mga lumang bahay na galing pa sa lola ninyo, sa lolo ninyo. kaya kalat ng mga Chinese, maraming mga chinitas all around the corners of every province and cities in the Philippines, you know what I'm saying?
Christianity abolished violence. The Dominican Friars built the church in 1596.
During American period, and ito lahat ng mga natayo. May pagka-retro guys, may pagka-retro style. Famous restaurants na dati pa lang sa Binondo, nandito na. This one, for the meantime, ito yung nasa Fujian province, China. Ito, Mamulok, na nasa Salazar Street before, actually ngayon nasa ano na to eh, Banawe na. Nasa Banawe na siya. Distillery came from China, was produced also using herbs. Right.